Did you know that businesses can face millions in penalties for false claims as well as possible criminal charges? The United States False Claims Act is a powerful tool used by the government to combat fraud and deception. Ignoring this law could be a very costly mistake for your business, and if you do any business with the United States government, then you should be aware of the FCA. The False Claims Act, originating during the Civil War, aims to prevent fraud against the government. It's enforced rigorously with penalties that can cripple businesses. Understanding its scope is crucial for compliance and to stay out of trouble. False claims can range from overbilling to delivering substandard products to indicating that your company is more secure than it actually is. Each violation can lead to hefty fines, making it essential for businesses to stay informed and compliant. Consider the case of a healthcare company called Arriva Medical that was fined $160 million for fraudulent billing. The financial and reputational damage was immense. Learning from such examples can protect your business from similar pitfalls. There's also the case of Lockheed Martin agreeing to pay $29,740,000 in fines based on allegations of defective pricing. No company is exempt from government scrutiny if there is a suspicion of deception and fraud. Additionally, whistleblowers get a reward for turning in a company. Currently, the largest award to a single recipient is $279 million. There's also the recently passed Administrative False Claims Act, which allows federal agencies to pursue claims without an actual False Claims Act lawsuit, as well as an increase in damages. This allows agencies such as the Department of Defense to possibly pursue smaller cybersecurity issues with companies in an easier manner. Regular internal audits and comprehensive employee training are key strategies to ensure compliance and reduce risk. Requesting a trusted third party such as Arrakis Consulting to perform an unbiased assessment can really help reduce risk and increase visibility. Doing this can help reduce the risk of legal, financial, and criminal sanctions. Transparency and meticulous documentation play crucial roles in compliance. By fostering a culture of openness, you can mitigate risks and build trust with internal and external stakeholders. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance to navigate the complexities of the False Claims Act. Our tailored solutions help reduce risk and help ensure your business remains compliant. Our expertise can help you avoid costly penalties and maintain a strong reputation in your industry. If you are a company that deals in the CMMC space, you don't want to overlook the help we can provide. Contact Arrakis Consulting to secure your business's future. Our team is ready to assist you in navigating the complexities of compliance and reducing potential risks. By taking action now, you can safeguard your business and avoid the pitfalls of non-compliance. Let's work together to ensure your success and peace of mind. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you and reduce risk.